All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Just a Tip. Just a little bit, just for a minute. I just want you to see how it goes, because what I want to do is teach you today how to create a pathway to making more money without actually like having to sort of whinge and gripe at people to pay you more. Making more money, okay? What you need to do is look at making money as a problem, right? And there are multiple ways to solve that problem. Okay, getting paid more per sale is a very, very short-term way to make more money. Like it's not really gonna do much for you. If you go from 1,500 a sale to 1,600 a sale, and you make 10 sales a month, like congratulations, you made an extra $1,000 a month. It's not actually gonna be a game changer for you, okay? So what you need to do is you need to look at it as a problem and go like, okay, what's stopping me from making more money? The answer is almost always not more commissions, right? Right, unless you're making really low commissions from a dollar value, right? You know, if you're making like $50 commission or something like that, then that might be a problem. So you might have to look at the product that you're selling. But really, it's just a problem. Like when I look at it, I go, okay, cool. Like I want to earn an extra $10,000 a month. And I go, okay, how can I do that? What do I have at my ability? What services can I provide? How can I provide $10,000 worth of value to the people around me in my network? Right? How can I provide it to my business owner? Hey man, is there anything that I can do? Can I coach people? If you're looking for a base and you're a commission only guy, what can I do because I want a little bit more consistency? What can I do within the business to re-solidify myself and put myself in a base? You know, if you can get a $3,000 or $4,000 a month base that I'm also doing some coaching, right? Then now you've created 4,000 of that sort of $10,000 a month. Now it's like, okay, cool. Now, okay, I'm getting this many sales calls. That means I can make this much money from commission. Okay, cool. So if I get 2 referrals a week that sign up, okay, sweet. That gives me an extra X amount. Okay, I can make those sales. Like I'm gonna carve out the time to do that. I'm gonna hit the old lead list because I wanna make more sales, right? More sales. Or is collecting more cash a fantastic way to do that? But if you get paid your comms as cash comes in, right? Just collect more cash, okay? Go to your business owner and go, hey, how can I create an incentive for me to go out there, go to our clients and collect more cash? Right? Because like I sold these 30K programs and it's like these people are paying $3,000 a month. I'm getting paid $300 a month. Okay, standard commissions are anywhere from 5 to 25%. Like there's a huge swath and range. I've done a couple of videos on that in the past, right? Huge swath and range depending on the business model. Some SaaS products will be like 40%. Some like more done for you, real nitty gritty stuff will be like 5% because like they're just really expensive things to run, okay? The key is not to get caught up in their percentage. The key is just to be happy with the dollar value. That's really what it is, because otherwise it's a head fuck, right? So look at it as a problem and break it down analytically and ask the people around you, like, what are some ideas? How can you come up with it? Solve the problem. It's your problem. You need to solve it, right? It's not up to somebody else to solve it for you. Okay, so whenever I need more money, I sit down and I look at it and I think about it. My employees come to me all the time. I'd like to make an extra X amount of money. I go, okay, let's have a look at this problem. How can we solve it? What can you do and how can you add value, right? Because if you come to me asking for just more cash, I'll be like, why? Why do you deserve it? You know what I mean? Are you better at sales than me? No. Are you better at business than me? No. So what value are you going to provide me that would have me earn more money where I couldn't just train someone up and just put them in your spot? Right? So it's like, there's always you've got to add value in order to get more money, right? Add value above and beyond what a closer would do. Add value above and beyond what an appointment setter would do. Because if you're good at your job, hey mate, congratulations, you're good at your job. That is not a reason to get a raise, right? It's an add value thing. So always look at ways that you can do that. Talk to people, comment like, hey, I'd like to earn more cash. I don't expect you to pay me anymore. What are some things that I can do within the business to add more value where I have the opportunity to make more money? All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.